everyone, you're back crafting with Michelle. So today I've got the True Fit folios from Close to My Heart, and I'm making it's called You've Got Class. So the folios fit all your schoolwork. They're little file folders, and I'll show you those in just a minute. With the kit, you're going to get sparkles, our memory protectors. These are the flip flaps, and they're 3 by 4 inches. There's 12 of them in here, and you get half of them are vertical and half of them are horizontal. So I can show you those in just a minute here when we go to them. You're also going to get 2 stamp sets. So this is the kindergarten one. I mean, all the grade schools, so it's got kindergarten written out. And then it's got all the numbers. That's got grade, or you could do the year for your first, second, third, fourth type thing. It's got an ABC border, a little banner piece, another banner piece, little world, a globe, some stars, a watercolor piece, which is great. You'll see that in there too. Another star, this little background little pieces there, and then some little arrows. And depending on which kit you buy, this is the one that has everything. You're going to get this Stampin' Thin Cuts here, and it has the 3 kids, so it's got 2 girls and a boy, and then the schoolhouse, best teacher, I'm a big kid now, back to school, and this ruler piece. So here it is in the stamps. This is what you get stamp-wise. And then these are the thin cuts. So you get the little school and 3 kids and an apple. The washi tape is what I use it to adhere it down to keep the paper in the right place, because I will stamp first on my paper and then put the thin cut on and then run it through my die machine. You're going to get complete instructions on how to make do every single cut, every single page, how to lay it out, what to put on where. It's got good directions on the cut diagram, and then your placement diagram on where you do. It tells you how to measure. It tells you everything. So that's a good thing to have. So here we go. So these are file folders. Like I said, they're the True Fit folios. They have, they open up just like a file folder. They're 12 by 12. So they're fantastic. You're going to love them. So it's a great place to put all the, all their schoolwork, all their report cards, and some important papers that you want to keep, or, you know, some little artwork, or however, whatever you think is what they want to keep, or whatever they want. So it starts with back to school. So this is like preschool for work. You can use it, or for their artwork, however you want to use this. I made mine specifically for my granddaughter, who is 7. So she's in 2nd grade right now. So I thought, okay, this will be perfect. So I just cut this little girl because she has the blonde hair, and she wore her hair up in either a ponytail or a pigtail all the time. So yeah, I thought that little girl matched her the best. So that's why I did that. Here's the little apple die cut. I watercolored them with my watercolor paints. Of course, I didn't bring those out with me. And a little water brush. These are, you just stamp this hexagon, and that was on the ones with all the grades, I think. Yeah, you can see it right there. There's the hexagon. Then you just stamp. I just did, it tells you to use up to 3rd generation. So you stamp, stamp, and stamp again. You do that, and then you just cut them out. So it's really easy. And I inked around the edges so it wouldn't show. So I put one photo on so far, but I wanted to give it to my daughter, so she had it to do up the way she wanted. I only adhered half of the girl down so that she could slide the photo underneath. And then I did put the bling on, so, and you get plenty of that because I have leftover. So here we go. So this is the back to school one. And then this starts kindergarten. So it comes with flip-flaps, like I showed you. So you get horizontal ones and you get vertical ones. So you'll see both of these. This is where she would journal. Another photo goes here. A photo goes down here. Then you put a photo here and another photo in there. So you back those two. So it gives you more photos per your acreage there. And again, you get complete directions on where to place everything. I did everything just as it said in the kit. So here we go. So this is 1st grade. Again, you get the flip-flaps. You can use your journaling for the top piece, or you could put the photo here, and a photo here. However you want to do that. You could put another photo here and here. And it tells you exactly what they feel is best for you to do, but you don't have to do that. So I told you she's in 2nd grade. She's a little cheerleader. So she got to, this was at her first game that she cheered at. So that was fun. My daughter sent me a picture, so I printed it up and I thought, perfect, I'll use that on her card. So I would use the big one here for the school picture, and then what they're doing on the outside. She also does dance, so we'll do another photo there. And by all means, you can put more. Just because that's what they said to do doesn't mean that's what you have to do. Oh, what I wanted to show you too, and all the rest of them, they give you more plain white paper. And what you do, you can see here, you'll score at 1 inch, and then you glue this down. So now you have a divider between your 1st and 2nd grade. So you've got plenty of room for all of it. And it just goes right into your file folders. I think I'm gonna make a box to put it all in, and the box a little bit bigger so they can keep some extra stuff too if they want. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And you can do these for each child so that you have them. They're pretty easy to make. It was pretty quick to go through. And this is 3rd grade, so their school picture here, you get a flip-flap. So you could put, and it gives you 3 photos there, 4, and you could put a little one over here. You can put, little square ones in here. However you want to do it, it's yours. So that's 3rd. This is 4th. This has placement for more photos. I didn't put any flip-flaps on. It didn't call for any flip-flaps on this one, but you certainly get enough left over. Once you're done, you can go back and put them wherever you want. So that makes it nice. So this is 5th. This is the vertical flip-flap here. So again, journaling or photo, and either journaling and photo. So whatever you want to do, and then the school picture. And then this is 6th grade. And with the flip-flaps, you get plenty of room for lots of photos, lots of journaling. Seventh, so another flip-flap here. I have lots of bling on it, so she likes her bling, and I'm sure she always will. Don't we all? Or most of us anyway. So here's 8th grade. I stamped a little piece there when I was doing this. I got a little ink on the corner, but there's going to be journaling over the top of this or a photo, so it's not going to matter. My numbers that I wrote on there, normally you would write them on the back. For whatever reason, I wrote that one on the front. I did that on a couple of them. But you could either erase it. There's going to be a photo over it, so it doesn't matter. So you don't have to worry about that. So this is the 9th grade. Flip flap here. So photo over the top of this and there. Couple of photos here. One big photo. However you want to do it. Lots of little ones. More little ones out here if you want. Here's for 10th. Photos here, here, big one here. Or you can do multiples, however you want. Here's 11th grade. It didn't call for any flip-flaps on these, but like I said, you have more left over, so you can certainly use them. Or you can always order another pack. And then on the 12th grade, same thing. It gives all the placements, and I'll give my daughter the instructions, so she has it to look at. So that's it for the You've Got class, and that's available now through the end of October, I think, where you can buy the whole kit. You can buy just the True Fit folios if you want. I think you get 7 of them in a pack. You can buy just the paper pack, and you can buy just the stamp set. So you can put it together yourself. Obviously, it's cheaper when you get the whole kit. You save money by buying it all in one piece. So you can go to my website. It's michellepryor.ctmh.com. See that again back here. So that's this one here. I'll also put all the information on my blog. You can get there. I'll upload this video, so be sure to subscribe. It's over here. Be sure to like my video too. And up over here, I will put more videos if you're interested. So thanks again for joining in, and we'll see you again soon.